Welcome to Asylon, where we believe automated security solutions are the future of keeping people and assets safe. We take pride in creating American-made solutions that leverage the power of cutting-edge robotics, sensors, and data to do what we like to call the dull, dirty, and dangerous tasks, and ultimately keeping people out of harm's way. We know that the majority of observe and report guard posts consist of repetitive and mundane tasks, while also being expected to anticipate unlikely emergency scenarios. This type of work is perfect for automation because security robotics can remain alert at all times, something its human counterparts can't guarantee, even with copious amounts of coffee. To increase and expand our capabilities, we turn to 3D printing for its superior production speed and agility, and for its ability to create custom parts that outperform anything we could mold or machine.
Asylon uses many 3D printed parts in the creation of the robotic security drone dogs. The drone dog's pup pack electronics enclosure is printed by Xtellar's carbon fiber reinforced polypropylene. Using polypropylene ensures the pup pack is lightweight and watertight, essential for operating in foul weather. To aid with deterrence in the field, custom body panels and LED lighting are integrated into the pup pack's design in a way that catches attention and urges potential threats to keep on moving. To make the drone dogs more capable in icy conditions, Asylon designed snowshoes with integrated metal studs that can be attached in minutes. These are 3D printed with Xtellar's carbon fiber polypropylene so that they can take quite a beating even in cold weather. Take that, sled dogs!
As our fleet expands, so will our need for customizations and enhancements. The growing portfolios of industrial-grade 3D printing materials from companies like Xtellar stokes our excitement for what's to come and the new capabilities that this will allow us to deploy for our clients.